See, I bought this new car and I'm worried. How do I keep it safe in this traffic?
You're very right, sir, that we need protection against heavy traffic on the tight city roads.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, 3M has come up with a very innovative product which will just suit your requirement.
Is it? Tell me more about it.
Sure, sir. Let me show you. Sir, let me show you a very innovative product by 3M. This is called the Scotch Guard Paint Protection Film.
Okay.
As you see, sir, as the name suggests, this is a film used to protect the paint of your car. This film protects the car against damages like scratches, scrapes and minor defects like UV radiation, bird droppings, etc.
Okay.
This film was made by 3M for the US government for protecting helicopter blades.
Is it?
Yes, sir. And as you see, sir, this is a totally transparent film. So it is invisible to the eye when it is applied.
Oh, it's great.
Let me also show you a video where I will explain you where all it can be applied on your car.
Okay. Oh, this is really great. This looks really great.
Sir, let me put this piece of PPF on your car for you to have a look how would this look on your car.
You mean you will put it on my car?
Yes, sir. This is a sample which I will put on the bumper corner of your car and you can have a look exactly how would it look.
Okay, go ahead.
Sure, sir. Let me take the help of my applicator for that.
Yeah.
See sir, can you make out that there is a PPF applied over here?
Oh, that's great. It's truly invisible. I was worried a little that it may make my paint look dull, but it doesn't.
And one more thing sir, as you see that the paint is totally protected under this PPF, and this is strong enough to resist the normal wear and tear. You can imagine if this was done directly over the painted surface, it would have been completely ruined.
That's great.
So this is completely protected sir.
I see. This product looks great. But do you have a warranty on this?
Yes sir, we have a 1-year warranty on this Scotchgard paint protection film. This warranty covers all the manufacturing defects and application defects like bubbling or cracking for the entire 1 year from the date of purchase. So this is the warranty sir.
Okay. But then where all do you apply this film on the car?
Sir, as you know that paint protection film is a very strong product and it can work very well on the entire body of the car.
Okay.
But let me show you where all it is most commonly applied on. So in a car, the paint protection film can protect the most critical parts of the car like the bumpers, both front and the rear, the door edges, the door handle inset areas, the rear view mirrors and also the running board.
So do you cover the bonnet also?
Yes sir, we cover the bonnet as well.
Okay.
As I said, you can cover the entire parts of the car.
Okay.
And if you would have noticed that while we drive the car on the city roads like Bangalore, it's often that our car gets rubbed off against other vehicles like cars, autos, scooters, etc.
Yeah, that's very true.
And even if you would have noticed that when you park the car and open the doors, there's a tendency of the door getting touched against a car parked next to it or a pillar.
Correct.
Even a small touch can take away the paint from that area.
Yeah, absolutely.
But if we cover all these critical parts, wherever the paint protection film is applied, that part will be protected totally against all such rub-offs.
That's great.
And not only that, this protected part would also give you a higher resale value when you want to sell this car later.
Oh, you're right.
So that means that you will get much more value than what you will be spending now.
I see.
So where do you use your car most often, sir?
I use it to drive to my office daily, and maybe once in a month I go out with my family for a long drive.
That suggests that you can go for a City Package Plus, sir.
City Package Plus. Now what is that?
Sir, let me explain. So City Package Plus is a specific package made for city driving conditions.
Okay.
It will protect your car from scratches caused during that period.
Okay.
And it covers the parts like front bumpers, rear bumpers, the door edges and the rear view mirrors on both sides.
That means you will apply the film on all these parts.
Yes sir, we will apply the film on all these parts, and not only that, you will also save some money as compared to when you buy these products individually.
Okay. But then how much would this cost, the entire package?
So for your car, it will cost you rupees 20499 including application and taxes.
But that's so expensive. It's better to get the car repainted if it is crashed.
Sir, since your car is new, getting a PPF protection would not only keep it looking new for long, but also save your visits to the workshop and hence the spend on it. And moreover, the repainted job cannot match the original paint so easily. Even if you get it repainted, it can again get scratched without the protection.
Oh, you're right. But then how long would this entire application take? How many hours it will take?
So it will take around 6 hours for your car.
Okay. That sounds good. I think I'll go with the City Package Plus then.
So shall we book it, sir?
Yeah, sure.